Hello everyone! If you're looking for an iconic new launch apartment township in East Bangalore, located in the heart of Whitefield, Varthur Road, this project deserves your attention. Today, let's explore Prestige Evergreen, the upcoming phase 2 of the highly successful Prestige Raintree Park developed by Prestige Group. Prestige Evergreen is a new launch luxury apartment project located on Whitefield Road, Varthur, East Bangalore. The project is spread across 21 acres and offers 2,000 modern high-rise apartments across 14 premium towers. Homes are available in 1, 2, 3, and 4 BHK configurations, with apartment sizes ranging from 660 square feet to 2,520 square feet. Prices start from 1.1 crore rupees onwards, making Prestige Evergreen a strong option in the affordable luxury segment. Here's a quick snapshot of the project. Times project type luxury apartment township times total land area 21 acres times total units 2,000 apartments times towers 14 high-rise towers. Times unit types 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK times size range 660 to 2,520 square feet times price range 1.1 crore rupees to 4.25 crores rupees times project status pre-launch times RERA approval in progress. Prestige Evergreen is designed as a modern urban township with a strong focus on space, comfort and lifestyle. Times Vastu compliant homes times excellent natural light and cross ventilation times well-planned high-rise towers. Times part of a 107-acre integrated township, including 82 acres for residential development, 25 acres for commercial spaces, including a tech park and retail mall. This makes Prestige Evergreen a self-sustained community for long-term living. Prestige Evergreen offers a wide range of thoughtfully designed layouts. Times 1 BHK 660 square feet times 2 BHK 1150 to 1200 square feet times 3 BHK 1450 to 1500 square feet. Times 3 BHK 1600 to 1800 square feet times 3 BHK large 1900 to 1950 square feet times 3 BHK plus study 2000 to 2050 square feet times 4 BHK 2250 to 2520 square feet. These options cater to first-time buyers, families, and premium home seekers. Prestige Evergreen is located at Varthur, off Whitefield Road, right on 35, opposite Varthur Lake. Round Pushpin key connectivity highlights include times entrance directly on Varthur Main Road times close to Whitefield and Surjapur Road IT hubs. Times Kadugudi Metro Station, just 10 minutes away times Kempegowda International Airport, 38 kilometers vertical bar approximately 55 minutes drive. This location ensures excellent daily commute convenience and high future appreciation. Prestige Evergreen has received strong positive reviews from top property analysts. Times rated 4.5 out of 5 times among the top 5 best-selling housing projects in Bangalore. Times appreciated for its location, pricing, township scale, and prestige brand trust. The starting price of 1.1 crore rupees for a 1 BHK is considered one of the best entry prices in Whitefield. The project is currently awaiting RERA approval from the Karnataka Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Times tentative RERA issue date 24th December 2025 times additional approvals from BDA, BBMP and BMRDC are in progress. Once approved, Prestige Evergreen will be a fully compliant and risk-free investment option. Prestige Evergreen follows a simple and buyer-friendly 20 hours 20 minutes and 60 seconds payment structure. Times 20% payable within 90 days of booking times 20% on completion of the superstructure times 60% payable near possession. This plan offers flexibility and ease for both end users and investors. To conclude, Prestige Evergreen is the largest new launch apartment township in East Bangalore, offering modern homes, strong connectivity, and long-term investment potential. If you'd like the brochure, floor plans, pricing details, or EOI assistance, feel free to contact us today.